welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about welfare and the things that the government, US government gives to them and what she's able to get from the US government. She's also saying that if she and Annmarie is getting welfare or getting, food stamps or anything of that in that aspect from the government of the US, then they're entitled to it and it's nobody's business. So she is also mentioning that, she has had an event where she had to take unemployment, and she's also enlightening people to look out and be wary. Be wary of the jobs that you take in the US. She's saying that some of these people are scammers, basically. She's saying that they'll tell you that you're putting in your unemployment, your 401k, but you have to look out to ensure that, they are doing so. So go catch the video, see what she has to say about this unemployment, the welfare, the free housing and everything. Just listen to what she has to say. And she was also talking about cartoons, so we'll catch that as well. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, you know what to do. Have yourselves a what? A wonderful one.
Who's up? I saw them come out and do make trouble like I didn't think them a woman. Make them go and go sit down. Annmarie, if them can put down and piss like a me and you. If them have to take backers like a me and you, Annmarie them a no nothing. No answer them. Annmarie, when time went over Ashanti, and when time Ashanti, you carry Ashanti go a restaurant and Ashanti name up to the shrimps off of the plate, me see him, so me no want you come out and come say a lie with a tail, cause you never see. But me see when he take up the shrimps and yam the shrimps, when he asks if the pitney want it. For him to come out and knowing say you pitney them in the military, in all part of the service, serve America. The whole of them know say you neither you not supposed to can receive food stamp. Them not supposed to can receive food stamp. Because then go look pan and say a few pitney them they now go and give you food stamp. But what's so bad about getting food stamp? Are the money what we put in at this? Annmarie, are the money what we put in at this system we they get back, Annmarie, are the money people they talk about food stamp, housing, and this and that. If you can get food stamp and housing, that means that you turn well in America. That means you turn well. If you can get welfare, if you can get, because we don't know what is welfare. Every day me hear them talk about welfare and all sort of thing. If them can talk about those things, these are the money that you are put in the system. Because there's no way you cannot just come from America, from Jamaica and come America. Or there's no way you can live America for the longest and not put nothing in the system and get nothing back. That's why Ashanti cannot get nothing. Ashanti cannot get nothing out of America because what? He ain't put nothing in there. Not even food stamp then go give him. Kind of when put no money in the system. Me can claim back everything right now. From housing to cash assistance. What's a me out on 60? Then just wait until the 60 that from the eye. So what if people they collect food stamps? So what? So what? Then go on like they have sense, you see, and they illiterate more than you can ever imagine. They're illiterate and dark. Tell them to come here, go answer them. Me not answer nobody. Of course, I fax me at all, cause I remember when I used to work. $1,500 on nothing for them drawback for tax calls. Me used to ball a year time. Every fortnight and so when me look and see the amount of money what they draw out of my pay. Me used to ball, but you know when it's sweet me cause you see all like I right now, like in December you saw me have to go file all January. Me mama clot. Me mama clot cause when it catch December, January, February, I'm first to get me money cause all February me get me money. By the end of January for me money in my bank. Me used to ball the amount of money what them draw. So if me reach 60 now and me want to get back all of my money, every single bit, me say me them milk them. Me sorry me can't file for unemployment. Me sorry me can't file for unemployment because it's gone too bad already. Money want bother me, you see them a galang with money for fuckery over there. Me sorry me couldn't file for unemployment. Because if I could, I would have milked them right. Hey, remember one year, you know, when me work with an agency, you know, and the agency free ground me nerves, you know, and then fire me. Yeah, man, then fire me. Because me taunt them and make them fire me. So me go file for unemployment because me they work for them for about 3-4 years. Then have about 200 somebody they work with them. Then draw a tax out of me pay every week. Every week. $900 was nothing for them draw out of me pay every week. But you know what them do? Cause them a whole thief. Then draw the money and the department where you get it, like if you lose your work, if you file for unemployment, the department where you get it in negative. Me don't know how them accountant when they cook the books up. So after the 3 year, like 3 year and a half, me file for unemployment. Book then deny me. Say, but this not time good. How the fuck you for deny me when time me pay how much, what 3 year what a tax? A double 2 me used to get. Me read it again. Book then sitting there it again. I say, but what a ras this for me. 3 times me do it, you know. 3 times me do it. And then deny me. So I called them. And I said, why the fuck you guys keep denying me? Then said they not see no record of me working, even working or nothing like that. Me said, no. Me get W-2 every year. The man say, no, the manager come over now. Or the CEO or whoever it is. And say, we don't see anything. You sure you get a W-2? Another 1099. Me say, no, me not get no 1099. Me get W-2. Fit almost 4 year trick when they come on to the 4 year. A W-2. The man say, can you find them? Me say, what you mean if me can't find them? Me have them right in front of me. The man say, send me a copy please. I'm standing right at the fax machine. Me say, me turn up at the fax machine too. He says, send it, come give me. And me send it, go give the man. And me no come off of the phone till the man get the same thing, you know. When the man get it, the man say, oh my God. Mighty God. How many people working with this company? Me say over 200 and then get good money because of seminal money they get. Seminal money they get. So then get good money. The man say, oh no. I need to talk to you. Me say, me need to talk to you too. Because me want to know how to me look on hey, a 4 year trait me collect unemployment for. 4 friggin' year trait. Me milky. When it done and they say, oh, me go have so in them. Me say, no, go back, go look, you will find more. Oh, me milky. You know what me do with them? I lock them down. Because the government went right after them. They have to file bankruptcy. Because they all long them in a business. And people who's working, make sure when you're paying your 401k and all of them something there, make sure it is going where it is going, because these business people who they work for, them are criminal. They know how to cook the book. Do not left out there so and get stranded like I did. Because they know which part to thief the money. These people were collecting money every fortnight. They telling us they have $1,500 a week. Then take out of me pay. And then you go deny me unemployment. Because you never when you pay the government the money where you ain't supposed to they pay them people who no look for no paycheck good and question it. When you no get no paycheck and you no see the money gone for this a kind of tax and that the kind of tax, question the people because some of the time it no gone no way. And the old dirty thief them take no money. By the time you retire like a me, you no have no lucky enough what happened to me. By the time you no look, you no now go have no money in a no way forget. You no can't go live like a miss down right now. They collect from everywhere. Me can collect from every single everywhere, because I paid in the system. So me no know why. Who they get food stamp? I feel they had them. What make them head they had them say people they get food stamp. So what if me and Annmarie they collect food stamp in America? So what? So what? How whole heap of things me can get in America, you know? Because I'm an American citizen. I can get housing. Believe me when me tell you say, if me here if you lack, my picnic them don't have to pay nor family not have to pay $10. Because me when done put in the system already. So no go and go sit down. Go wash no dirty nasty front. But you know they worry about people and their money. You no worry about people pussy. You no worry about people cocky. You no worry about everything. But all you know want cartoon not take down it. Cartoon go in it harder. Go little harder. You're too soft. Go hard like how you went go hard for me and Bella and my grand Pitney and Pitney them. I saw you figure hard. You see how you and Lauren when come at me hard. Me no business with nobody else. Me talk about me and for me side. Just like how you know when come at me hard. Go harder, Panshi. Go harder. Call her and tell her every day carry Maxine got coat first before you can carry nobody. The whole of them. From Dana go straight down. Carry me first. And me first you know fi carry. Me dey wait you see. Jesus. You don't understand how me dey wait. Laugh at me might be you alone know how me waiting. Me waiting pan them. You go and call as you gonna say a Summit police station. Because as out of Summit deal with the bullying and the cyber in, you know. Out of Summit do that. And a Freeport. Freeport are the big lockup part. The rest them have lockup too, you know. But Freeport are the big lockup part. Out of Summit I will deal with right in front of Gloriana. People, if you don't go to Jamaica, you don't have nowhere to stay. Right in front of Summit Police Station, there's a Gloriana. Gloriana may give you promotion because you know, say what they me always contact me like 1 and 2. Yes, you can get a room for like $60 a night. Nice room. It's not all inclusive. You have to pay for your food. But it works out very, very fine. Gloriana, very, very nice. Very, very nice. And out there, if I pour you in the room or 3 in the room, then I charge you 3 different money. I the one money. And like the other rest of hotels, them also charge you for each person that's in the room. Gloriana do not do that. And Gloriana is one of our nice black Jamaican queen. Yes. Hey, you make go down now, you know. We go carry this alive, you go show her, you know. Hello, my darling. How are you? This is a promotion. Me they give Gloriana, you know. Anytime I go there to get me room, me go get a room. A big promotion this me I do. I'm right in front of the police station there. Me want cartoon fight. Me want him beat Lorraine. Me want him and Lorraine fight and beat them one another. Then when come out there hard for me. Hard for me. Very hard. So make them go back hard for me one another. Oh Lord. What I so refreshing and nice. Happy New Year, my darling Rebecca. Happy New Year to everyone who has just joined the live. And if you don't hear the story yet, Big Bad Wolf Lorraine called police pan cartoon in Jamaica. Yes! Big Bad Wolf cartoon. Lorraine called police. Cartoon need to deal with her. Oh yes! Rebecca, me want him and Lorraine. Me want you see how cartoon and Lorraine when come hard at me and Bella and my family. You remember how cartoon and Lorraine them come hard? That Lorraine have birth night party for Lorraine and have burial for whoever I want have burial for. Yes, yes. No, I'm a bad girl, you must sing and call police. The girl can call police, you see. Rebecca, I will if a police in call upon me, you know. But when they come asking me tell them say me no name so. Me say I know so me name. Me say I know so me name, nobody know leave their name so. When he said I saw him send the police come here, I saw me give the police a wild goose chase. Yes. When they send the restraining order, yeah, then send here, then send here, then send here. Me say that's okay. The police then they get paid for carry come round, yeah, that's alright. And the police come, me say, look here. This somebody with the paper no name so. Nobody done their name so. Then go away and come back, then go away and come back. They don't have no sense. No have no sense at all. But let me tell you something. I want to no clasp no hands and close no eyes. Because one of this day, hell is gonna break loose. Hell is going to break loose. I do not want cartoon to give up. Cartoon fight. Not top fight cartoon. Cartoon are you and Lorraine sit up there and make all the trouble on social media. So if they lock up you, then they go lock up Lorraine too. No top.